The 23rd Wing hosted a week-long lead wing exercise called Mosaic Tiger 22-1, which enabled members to test their abilities and competencies as multi-capable airmen. During the exercise, airmen were grouped into contingency location teams and performed Agile Combat Employment concepts while honing expeditionary skills outside of their core Air Force specialties. A multi-capable airman is an individual who is trained in performing and executing tasks and skills above and beyond their primary duties, explained Master Sgt. Ramon Salas, Mosaic Tiger 22-1 CL team lead. As Air Force requirements for today's peer-adversary fight demand more innovation, airmen are being encouraged and trained to think and excel outside of their normal expectations. While Moody was the main operating base, Avon Park Range and MacDill Air Force Base, Florida, were identified as the contingency locations during the exercise. The CL teams were composed of airmen from several units to include maintenance, communications, security forces, and the 93rd Air Ground Operations Wing Base Defense. The 23rd Wing's MCA program is focusing their efforts on CL operations, said Master Sgt. Jorge Rodriguez, 23rd Wing, Air Staff A5 7th Superintendent. The main goal is to train the MCA personnel with the expeditionary skills required to conduct ACE in austere locations with minimum to no support outside of the equipment and capabilities they deploy with. Some of the skills exercised during Mosaic Tiger included static defense, entry control point operations and reloading and refueling aircraft as quickly as possible. With a goal of maintaining security and rapidly turning jets, these skills become critical in executing ACE concepts. As a CL team, we need to be able to move from our base to another one, to still be in the fight and still have our jets ready, Salas said. We're expected to do a lot more with less, so being a multi-capable airman, you are able to perform a lot of tasks other than your job. When it comes to maintaining combat capability and what the lead wing is asked to generate, MCA are critical in keeping the jets gassed and armed and in the fight when necessary, explained Master Sgt. Daniel Wright, 23rd Wing, a staff superintendent. While MCA is not a new concept, the program has made improvements over time in order to better execute current Air Force initiatives. This is the second year of Moody's MCA program and it has evolved as our Air Force leaders get a better idea of what ACE and the lead wing concept is, Rodriguez said. The MCA's program focus has been shifted to expeditionary skills and command and control. There is going to be more training to develop our airmen and be ready when we get called into action.